Start your shelving assembly by identifying each part. If your design features any mid-dividers, place nickel cams in the available holes, facing outwards. Next, screw in cam bolts in each 5mm hole. There may be some on both sides. Now locate the top and the base. If your design features a plinth, the base will have a line of cam bolts. If your design features any mid-dividers, screw these cam bolts on the opposite side. The shelves require nickel cams in each available hole. The back rail and kickboard won't be seen, so use white cams for these. Finally, the sides. Screw in cam bolts in each 5mm hole. Attach the back rail to the top and use a screwdriver to lock the cams together. Now do the same for the base and the kickboard. Next, we'll start the reel assembly. Place any mid-dividers down, then the base and top on either side. Lock them together with the cams. Add the left and right sides and do the same. Now it's time for the shelves. Don't forget to lock them in place as you go. Carefully lift the unit up and into place. You can use the screw holes in the back rail to secure your shelving to the wall.